All right, guys. Just caught this nice little 5-pounder, 4-pounder, something like that. On my little curly tail worm, probably about 12, 13 inch BFS setup. Give him a good release here. Get a good spot to where y'all can sort of see. All right. There she goes.